Hello folks, welcome back to the channel. So, off for a little bit of a jolly today. Be a relatively short one, I think. Something quite local to me. On one of the roads that me and Luke often frequent, there's an ancient priory there, or what's left of one anyway, the ruins of one. Quite small, but I thought head down there. If there's nobody about and it's quiet, we will send the drone up and have a good look around. So, taking the opportunity of a very quick free hour I've got this morning while the weather's relatively nice, bit of cloud cover but not bad. Do a short hop down here, so yeah, this could be interesting. So it is down at Alvecote, so literally a mile. See what else we can take in, but yeah. Quite windy today, that's for sure. Maybe there. Is that going to do it? Just don't want it falling over. Yeah, that'll do it. It's great being back on this bike. I enjoyed the trip, I enjoyed the journey, but the Tiger, when you start getting back on your normal bikes, the Tiger is quite a brute. But yeah, let's go see what we can see. Let's have a walk down here. Alvecote Priory. Now, interesting little fact, I didn't know about this. Luke knew about this years ago. He grew up in and around this area. His dad's not far from here, and a band Luke was in actually recorded a video in here, which I'll put a little clip of in here just to embarrass him now. A little bit more overgrown than it was then. But yeah, I bring you Alvecote Priory, or what's left of it. Let's have a look. And there you have it, the ruin of Alvecote Priory, which was actually built around 1100, and it's from the Benedictine era. Oh, sorry, there's a go-kart track over the back of there. It just stinks so bad. But yeah, a bit of a departure from working on motorbikes in the workshop. something slightly different. Might be a little bit more of this kind of thing as we're all into summer, getting out there, going to see a few things. So yeah, if you like this, click like, subscribe, all the good stuff as per usual. And I'm going to get back now because we're going to go out for the afternoon, evening, celebrate the mother's birthday. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Take it easy.